Today I'm sharing with you all a golden and a very successful recipe of chocolate brownie which does not require any oven, any baking or any eggs. Look at the texture guys, it's crisp on the outside and very gooey inside. So let's start with the recipe. Starting with the ingredients, for making 2 of these brownies, you need about 40 grams of butter cut into large chunks. Then you need about 60 grams of dark chocolate cut into very small chunks as you can see. 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 9 tablespoons of maida, all-purpose flour. 9 to 10 tablespoons of milk at room temperature and large chocolate chunks for the garnish. I have used dark chocolate compound readily available in the market. Starting with the recipe, take a microwavable bowl and add butter to it, followed by the chocolate chunks that we have. You can even use chocolate shavings guys. Microwave these together till the chocolate and the butter melts. Give it a good stir. You will get a chocolate sauce kind of consistency. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. We'll first start with the powdered sugar. After adding the sugar, give it a good mix so that it's all well mixed up with the butter and the chocolate. You have to make sure that no lumps of sugar are being formed in our mixture because they will not taste good in the brownie. So with your fork, break all the lumps that have been formed. Now add the other 2 ingredients that are milk followed by all-purpose flour or maida. Now using your fork or spatula, just give everything a good mix. You do not need to whisk or beat anything. It is very easy guys. After mixing everything up for 1 to 2 minutes, you will get a cake batter like consistency just as you can see in this video. Guys, this is the consistency we need. Just in case you have put less milk in it, alter it to get this consistency. For making my 2 brownies, I have taken 2 microwave safe bowls that are square in shape because brownies are best enjoyed square in shape. I've lined it with some baking or parchment paper. In each of the 2 bowls, put half the brownie mixture as I'm doing in this video. Flatten out the top with a spoon or a spatula and then put the large chocolate chunks that we have. Just to reiterate, I have used dark chocolate compound which is readily available online or at a nearby supermarket. We need to microwave these brownies at full power for about 1 to 1.5 minutes depending on the type of microwave you have. Keep checking after 1 minute. As mentioned in the beginning, we are not going to use the convection mode of the microwave. We are going to use the normal mode used for heating food. Your brownies are ready when the top looks like this. So tempting guys. And the sides should be very cakey. Allow the brownies to cool down and then demold them. Guys, make sure your brownies are not hot when you are demolding them, otherwise they will crumble. Enjoy these warm brownies as it is or along with ice cream or whipped cream. This recipe works very well when you're not in the mood for elaborate baking, and trust me guys, this tastes absolutely delicious. Do try it out. Until then, keep watching my food project.